EEKit 5-pack Hygrometer Thermometer Digital LCD Monitor by EEKit is one of the best sellers among baby accessories products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Wide usage, applicable for home, office, car, schools, hotels, laboratories, kindergartens, aquaculture, instrument workshop, libraries, schools, factories and places equipped with air condition, etc. Indoor humidity monitoring. This portable hygrometer thermometer measures indoor humidity and temperature in time. Help to adjust the humidifier, dehumidifier settings and humidistats. Great for monitoring family's living conditions and health by preventing colds, dry skin, asthma, mold. High reliability and accuracy. Fast response that measures every 10 seconds with 24 sensitive vents to provide updated and accurate readings. Wide measuring range that measures temperature from 00 degrees to 50 degrees. Measures humidity from 10% to 99%. Please allow for a certain amount of error. Easy read and operation. Temperature range is Celsius only on this model. Bright and black front panel with a clear LCD display. Easy to read even from a far distance. There is a hole in the case to the circuit that is marked CF. Please use a paper clip to press the circuit through that hole. It will switches from C to F. D. Contact easy by visiting them to chat, send them email or call them directly. Return easy. If, for any reason, you are unsatisfied with your purchase, you may return it in its original condition within 60 days for a refund. Measuring humidity range. 10 divided by 99% RH. Measuring humidity accuracy, plus or minus 5%. Humidity display resolution. 1% RH. Measuring temperature range. 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Measurement temperature accuracy, plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. Temperature display resolution. 0.1 degree Celsius. Install panel hole size, D42 mm. Operating voltage. 15V, 1 button cell size LR44. Material, PVC plastic. Size. 17 inches by 17 inches by 05 inches 44 millimeters by 44 millimeters by 15 millimeters. Weight. 0.6 ounces 16 grams. Color, black.